Oof. Wow. It's yet another good news, guys. I spoke to my friend Watum and he had to say something very, very important. Very, very interesting. But before we go to that, my name is Ben and this is Lakwed TV. Let's dive in there and we hear what he has to say. That's the good news.
Hi, thank you for having me. My name is Isaac Watum. I am the Executive Director and Team Leader at Lula, Uganda. Lula, Uganda is an organization that we started in 2017 while we were at the university. And the focus of Lula, Uganda is to promote literacy, to provide a platform where children's voices can be heard and where they can feel safe and where their child protection is promoted. Lula Uganda is not just an organization, it is a movement, it is a vision, it is a promise from us to the children that they matter, we see them, we hear them, we feel them, we understand them, and that they are important. Our current projects, we deal in book writing, storytelling in schools, teacher training and community involvement in promoting enrollment at schools. We have currently opened a learning center and the goal is to have as many learning centers as we can across northern Uganda where our models will be tested and then we will use them in the field to make sure every child in northern Uganda has access to equitable education. And it's not just going to stop in northern Uganda. We aim to push this further in whole parts of Uganda. But currently our focus is on northern Uganda because it's where we come from. We feel like it is our moral responsibility to start from home before we can send our help out there. So why do we have this platform? It is because we believe in literacy. We believe in the children we have. And we believe that we have very good teachers in northern Uganda. When you go to other places like Kampala, we have a lot of teachers that come from northern Uganda and they are there. So if we provide a platform for growth and professional empowerment, these teachers are going to be our instruments to make sure learning happens right here at home. Our big future plans is to have a platform that brings the professional educators together to try to empower each other and to make sure that they support each other and do benchmarking so that learning can happen in the best way. Currently, we are doing a research with my mentor, Professor Hogan Peter from Fitchburg State University. And the goal of this research is to have a culturally sensitive and relevant model that works for Ugandan children. So in this research, we are trying to study why Western research and interventions will fall short in our classrooms. Because we believe that what works for an American kid may not necessarily work for a child in a Gago district who is in a resource-constrained area. We also believe that parents have the ability to contribute to the learnings of their kids, but we don't have to focus on what they don't have. Instead, we have to ask the question, how can you help? How can you get involved? We also want to merge the big gap that is currently existing between the school and the community to an extent that the community feels like a foreign thing when it comes to schools. We want the parents to understand that they are part of the learning community and they can actively contribute in their child's life, in their education, in the way they can. Not by forcing them to learn to read, but in a way that they can. How can you get involved in the work of Lula? You can follow us on our social media pages. Check our website, Lula Uganda, and lulaeducation.org. Send us an email on lulauganda@gmail.com, or you can give us a call on my personal number, which is 0776 782099. I repeat, 0776 782099. You can also call us on our office line, which is 0393 103112. You can donate. You can choose to print a book for a kid. You can offer voluntary service or give us any expertise and guidance pro bono. Or you can just share the word and let people know about us, spread this message. We are creating an awareness. To any youth out there who feels the need to make a change, we want to tell you that do not dream small and do not underestimate your ability to create the change you desire. Go out there and get started. The universe will align with you and things will work out just fine. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank our friends, our volunteers, and I'd like to thank Lakwed TV for giving me this platform to share our stories. My name is Isaac Watum, and I'm here to serve you through this venture of Lula, Uganda. Thank you very much.
It's amazing. Guys, what do you have to say about this? Okay, let me hear your comments. But before we do that, I'm very interested in that part of supporting. Guys, how can we support this initiative and make it much better? My name is Ben. This is Lakwed TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And I also look forward to bringing you more of this. Thank you.